$280 for this photo, $80 for that photo, another $300 for that one, and so on. You can do this an unlimited number of times because you don't need a camera, and you don't have to take any pictures yourself. You don't need social media followers, and I'll give you one for free that you can do in less than 10 minutes. This is a website we have never used before. And people from all over the world are earning hundreds of $1,000 from this website. But before we start, welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online the easy way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. So every time we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making stuff. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you ever have any concerns, questions, or feedback about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment below. Now coming to the video. So first of all, this is a website where you can get the job done in less than 10 minutes. This is not a website where you will be making money. Rather, it is a platform where you can get these photos done in less than 10 minutes. So you can make hundreds of dollars from another website where people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars. So before we go to this website, it is paying people a lot of money for these images. And I'm going to show you how to create these images. So first of all, let's start with how you can get these images absolutely free. Just head over to Adobe Spark, and just type its URL in spark.adobe.com. It is a free online tool with hundreds of 1,000 different templates, which will allow you to create professional-looking designs with just drag and drop. So you can easily come to Adobe Spark. And you can read more about what kind of designs you can achieve with this tool. But what can you create with Adobe Spark? Well, you can create social graphics, you can pick an image, add text, and apply design filters or animations to instantly stand out from the crowd and create high-quality designs. And that's exactly what we'll focus on. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now coming to the video. So they have different features like creating web pages and short videos. But that's not what we're going to focus on. We're just focusing on images that we can create in minutes to share instantly, and then get paid by the website, which I'm going to share with you in a minute. And even if you don't have a laptop or computer, that's okay. You can still do it with your phone as the app is available for both Android and iOS. So even if you're lying on your bed and holding your phone, you can still do it. It'll be easy. So come to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started Now. So you can create a free account. And you can either sign up with your email or Adobe ID with a Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once you know which account you want to sign up with a login, it will instantly redirect you to your brand new account. Once you create a brand new Adobe Spark account, you'll be able to browse all the different templates from this website. You've got all these different graphic designs that you can create for yourself. And you only need to change the text. And so, it becomes your unique design to earn hundreds of dollars from a website that I will share with you. So you can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, branded images, and even custom sizes, with all the different templates available. You can create flyers, ebook covers, book covers, etc. So let's say, for example, I want to use a flyer design template. I'm just going to click on it so I can show you how easy it is. I just need to wait for them to load my own design to load my template so I can fully customize it. I can change everything. And all you have to do is click on the text and type whatever you want. Say for example, when I type in investor, click done, and it will change to this image. Now on the right side, you can also customize the colors. You can change font and size, and can customize everything. You can add different textures, shadows, different animations, and more. And here on the left side, you can choose different templates if you don't like them. So maybe I prefer it. I can click create from this template, wait for it to load, and I can customize it. So it's really simple and easy to use. Because again, it's like 99% for you. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer. Let's say I want to type again, investor. I will click done. Now it's going to look something like this. Maybe I want to change the background image. If I can't, I can do this too. I can click change, remove the background or add different filters to my background. It's really simple and easy to use. And you can create all kinds of different designs from these templates. Once you finish designing, you can either click the download button here, and it will instantly download this image to your computer. A high-quality version of this picture is about to download. You can either do it this way, or if you want to remove the watermark, you can open, for example, a snapping tool or any other screenshot software that your computer on and can just screenshot the image, take a snap and just remove the bottom watermark. You are ready to go. So here's how simple and easy it is to make these designs happen with Adobe Spark. It takes less than 10 minutes because those templates are 99% done for you. You guys are enjoying this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now coming to the video. Now let me show you the website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for the designs you create with Adobe Spark. A website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for designs you can create with Adobe Spark is called designcrowd.com. This design is over on crowd.com where you will get paid for logo designs, business cards, web designs, flyers, and graphic designs, all in a variety of designs that you can create in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. Can be made inside. And let me show you this. If I go to that category of designers and say, for example, I select graphics designers, you'll see people all over the world making money. You'll have hundreds and hundreds of people all over the world making money. 1,000 earn money. If we take logo designers as an example, you can see that people are making even more money. There is a lot of money to be made with designcrowd.com. This is a really good website that pays decent money for these designs, which you can complete in less than 10 minutes. So if we go to the jobs section here, you can see that you can design and get paid for everything from business cards to flyers, posters, postcards, and web design. Facebook can make anything up to design. YouTube, Twitter design, everything we saw on the previous website, and everything you can do with Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes of work. So let's say, for example, you want to focus on flyer designs. You can click on that, and you'll be able to see the different jobs available. You can submit your designs and get paid. Yes, you can get paid for a single photo. I'm submitting there for a single design, which I can complete in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. I can only get paid for this project. And new jobs will come up all the time. So you will never run out of jobs to complete in all these sections. Certainly not too many jobs. But this is only under the flyer design section. You have different sections from which you can choose. You can go ahead with banner ad design, app design, icons, Facebook design, and YouTube design. Now to get started with designcrowd.com, all you have to do is visit this website. Click this button to join for free here. Enter your email address, create a password, and let's go. Click once you sign up and you're logged into your brand new account. You can start browsing all these different jobs. And once you find a suitable one, just click on it. Submit your design and wait to see if you've made money. And since many of you often ask me how you can withdraw money from the website, I want to tell you how it's really easy. So once you start making money, just go to your profile right here. Just click on Profile Settings, and then on the left side, you can select Payments here. Then select your payment method and you can enter the payment details, and that's how you can collect your earnings. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell before you go. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.